Guys, if you're looking for free signals, if you're looking for 5,000 simulated dollars that you can actually make money from for just paying one membership of $89, guys, here it is. Whether you want to pay the $89 straight away or just try this for free, I'm going to show you the exact path you need to take to get involved with SmartCharts. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So in the Syre community, guys, we find the best way to make money in the Forex markets. And the best way we found is, of course, SmartCharts. Because you pay $89 a month, you're going to get $5,000 trading account with no drawdown, no limits, nothing like that. And yes, it's simulated, but if you make profit on that, they're actually going to pay you out on it, which is absolutely insane. You're going to get 30 money back guarantees. That means it is completely free to get involved with this for 30 days to trade ideas for professional traders, and you can earn money from your laptop, guys. It's absolutely insane. Let me show you their signals channel right now. This is where you can actually get some of the free signals without even signing up, guys. There's a link down below to go and get to this. All right, people making crazy money on here in the SmartCharts signal section. Now, this is AI generated trading signals built in, but with professional traders. All right, it includes $5,000 in funding, no challenges, no drawdowns, no silly rules to catch you out, an option to increase to $15,000. Now, let me give you an insight of what it looks like. And guys, this is what it looks like as you go in. All right, click it on the charts. You can actually get a feel of what is happening. This is the breakfast breakout strategy on here. All right, guys, and I just want you to know that this is absolutely wild. Now, you got everything you want on here. All right, so please go through all the videos that I've showed you and check them out today. But you can get a $5,000 account just simulated for you so you can start making that money. Remember to go in the Telegram, guys, and just check it out for absolutely free. If this is something you want to do and make free money, guys, it is time. So do me a massive favor, check it out, because even if you don't like it, you could just take the free signals. And even if you decide to pay and you don't like it, you could just get it for free anyway after 30 days. Say, I don't like it, and you'll get your money back. Now hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the bell to be notified, and let's get it.